In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of your worksheet, chart sheet, or macro sheet. And if you want to follow along, you can open up the copy file, which is in the resources section for this lecture. Alright, so here I have one worksheet in my workbook, and you can see it's got some information on it. I want to make a copy of this, so I'm going to head over to Visual Basic, where I've started a sub-procedure with the syntax in it. Now when you want to copy a worksheet, it's just a matter of sheets, and then inside of parentheses, the sheet name or index number. So I could type in either sheet 1 or I could just type in the number 1. I'll go ahead and change this to read sheet 1. This will actually create a new worksheet that contains the copied worksheet, and I'm sure you've done that before manually in Excel. But you can also tell VBA if you want to copy the worksheet before or after a specific worksheet in your workbook. And this is how you would type that. So I still keep sheets and the sheet name .copy, but then I also need to add the argument of before, and then tell it which sheet I want this copy to be put before. So I'm going to tell it to put it before sheets 1. And again, I could either put in the index number or the name of the sheet. Alright, so let me go ahead and run that. And before I switch back over to Excel, if you take a look at the Project Explorer, you'll see there's now 2 sheets in there. Now this is in order of how the sheets were actually put into Excel, not how they were arranged. So if I head over to Excel, you can see right now I'm in the copy of sheet 1, and you can tell by taking a look down at the bottom, it says sheet 1 and then in parentheses the number 2. So this is the copy. Alright, let me head on back to Visual Basic. So besides using before, you can also use after. If I wanted to put this after sheet 1 or sheet 5 or a sheet name weekly report, I could have done that also. But you can see how easy it is to copy a sheet. It's just a matter of sheets, the name of the sheet, .copy. Now remember, if you just have that, it's going to create a new workbook and put that copy in the workbook. Or if you want it for the workbook that you're currently in, it would be a matter of either before or after, and then the sheet that it's going to be before or after.